Hello and welcome to Japanese Beautiful Sites. Every Sunday I will introduce a Japanese beautiful place in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script I'm reading from this video description. Today I will talk to you about Okuhida Onsen. Okuhida Onsen is a beautiful hot spring area in the northern part of Gifu Prefecture, surrounded by rich nature. There are 5 main hot spring towns in Okuhida Onsen: Hirayu Onsen, Shin-Hotaka Onsen, Fukuji Onsen, Tochio Onsen, and Shin-Hirayu Onsen. Each of these towns has its own unique hot springs and atmosphere, making them popular with many visitors. One of the attractions of Okuhida Onsen is the ability to enjoy both the hot springs and the charming changing seasons. In spring, you can see fresh green leaves. In summer, cool mountains. In the autumn, colorful leaves. And in winter, beautiful snow scenes. The outdoor buses offer turning the views of the mountains and rivers, providing the relaxing experience. Recently, Okuhida Onsen has been recognized as a sustainable tourism destination. Local inns and facilities are working to be eco-friendly, reducing the plastic use and offering meals made with local ingredients. You can also take the Shin-Hotaka ropeway to enjoy breathtaking views of the Northern Alps, promoting tourism that harmonize with nature. Additionally, Okuhida Onsen has improved services for foreign tourists. There are guides in English and other languages, and information is available online, making it easy and comfortable for foreigners to visit. By visiting Okuhida Onsen, you can fully enjoy Japanese traditional hot springs culture and the beauty of nature. Its charm continues to attract many people over the years. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.